And my transmitter doesn't work at all, so I've been given some instructions here from some guy on YouTube. You're not to bother me here now. This is a very technical Apollo type mission. Okay, there's some lights flashing. Then power on this quickly. Then power off. Then power on the drone outside. Leave it on for 2 minutes before powering on the transmitter. Let's say 1620. So 1622. This is the app for the drone. $62, right? That's 2 minutes. Guys. And you do it about 3 or 4 times. I have a feeling it's not going to work. Controls. Feilun, whatever. That's the transmitter. But my transmitter doesn't work. There is no connection between the transmitter and the drone. What I'll do is I'm going to have a look inside. It's kind of held together by a couple of these little screws. Come with this nice little screw. And I see this thing is kind of loose, I think, but to be honest, I don't really know. I don't know what that is. So I'm going to look around and see if there's anything rattling or anything loose. I shall see what I can find and then try and put everything back together again and see if anything works. Well, I'd be surprised if anything works, but let's see. I opened this up and there was one kind of wire that was a bit loose, but I don't know whether that's going to have any effect on this or not. And I'm going to do that. And then as far as I'm aware, to get the motors to engage, you just have to pull both of these sticks down and out, like so. And you can see it still doesn't work. But no matter what I do with the transmitter. Yeah, so anyway, I would advise anybody who's considering getting a drone like this not to bother, because on the box it says it can do all kinds of things, but in all honesty it doesn't really do very much of what it's supposed to do. So with the money I've spent on things like this, if I waited and just saved a bit more, I could have probably bought the kind of the lowest end DJI drone.